Hi everyone, this is another installment in my frequently asked question category. So it's FAQs about the Mediterranean diet. One of the questions I get often is, can I really drink red wine on the Mediterranean diet? And how much red wine am I supposed to be drinking on the Mediterranean diet? Well, you don't have to drink red wine on the Mediterranean diet, but yes, it is okay to drink red wine on the Mediterranean diet. Red wine is consumed in the Mediterranean on an almost daily basis, but always in moderation. So they may have a glass of red wine, but they're not drinking a bottle of red wine. You won't really find people binge drinking in the countries that surround the Mediterranean Sea. Studies have shown that women should limit their alcohol consumption to 1 glass of red wine a day, and men 2. Now, alcohol in general can be beneficial to your health when it's consumed minimally. Red wine is a good choice because not only is it delicious and it goes really well with Mediterranean food, but it also has something called resveratrol. Now I hope I'm saying that correctly, but it's something special that is in the skin of the red grape. Studies have shown that resveratrol can improve heart health and protect against certain cancers. If you don't like to drink alcohol, red grape juice can be just as beneficial. Resveratrol can also be found in fruits like blueberries, cranberries, and raspberries. So have a glass of red wine, don't have a bottle of red wine. Just have red wine occasionally, share a bottle with your friends, and that way you're only getting a little bit and you're living the Mediterranean lifestyle very happily. I hope this answers your questions, and please share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye. Cheers.